This country, its people, he describes them as primitive and animal, cannot be accepted. And the best medicine for him is, I will ask him to leave this country forthwith. Leave this country forthwith. Go to his own country, leave it. I can appreciate the Prime Minister tries to forgive him, but for me, this is a very serious offense. Serious offense to the people of this country and to the sovereignty of this country. And the right medicine that we should give it to him, or he deserves to get, is to leave this country forthwith. The surrender is citizenship, and leave this country forthwith. If he doesn't do it, mark my word on this day, he shall get challenged from me in the floor of the Parliament when the Parliament next meets. I will tell him to leave the country by the floor of the Parliament. He will leave. Because in his country, to repeat, I am nobody. But in my country, he just became somebody just like that. And he can respect the decision of the people of this country. I will ask him in Parliament to lead the country forthwith.